So today we are going to discuss another set of 1 mark question, that is fill in the blanks. Now here the question is question number 10 under fill in the blanks. So let us discuss this fill in the blanks. Is sum of two supplementary angle is always 180 degree. So whenever we add two supplementary angles, the sum is always 180 degree. Two lines parallel to the same line is dashed to each other. If we have two lines AB and CD, these two lines are parallel to each other as well as to this line EF. So the line EF is the same line. So we can say EF is parallel to AB as well as EF is parallel to CD. So the answer for B will be parallel. An acute angle is always less than 90 degree. Angles forming a linear pair are 180, that is supplementary angle. We can also write 180 degree. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two angles, then the triangle is, so let us we cannot. So suppose we have a triangle A, B, C. The sum of A and C, these two angle, is equals to one of the angle, that is B. So angle A plus angle C is equals to angle B. So we can say that angle B is 90 degree. So we can say such a triangle is a right angle triangle. If two straight lines intersect, the adjacent angles are, if these are the two straight lines AB and CD, they intersect, then the angle AOB, AOC and AOD together will give you 180 degree, that is supplementary angles. So this was our fill in the blanks. Let us discuss some true and false. A pair of vertically opposite angle is always equal. So we know if the lines are parallel and a transversal is passing through it, the vertically angles are always equal. So whenever it is given that the pair of opposite angle is equal, it is always true. The statement is true. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It is also a universally true statement. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 45 degree, then the two adjacent angles are acute angles. As it is, angle 45 is acute angle. And it says that the sum of the adjacent angles together is giving us a 45 degree, which is an acute angle. So we can say that the angles itself are acute angles. So the statements are true. If a line is perpendicular to two parallel lines, then it is also perpendicular to the other. Suppose we have a line AB and CD. The line EF is perpendicular to AB. So we can say the line EF is also perpendicular to CD. So our statement is true. Two lines are intersected by a transversal, then the corresponding angle is true. Suppose we have the lines like this. These are the two lines and it is intersected by a transversal. So this angle and this angle forms corresponding angles. Are they equal? They are not equal. So they can be only equal if the lines are parallel. So here two lines means to any kind of line. With any kind of lines, we will not get the corresponding angles as equal. Only with two parallel lines we can get corresponding angles are equal. So the statement is false. Last three, true and false. Can we have a triangle where all the interior angles are more than 60 degree? We cannot have a triangle where all the angles are more than 60 degree. If we add, in a triangle there are three angles. If we add all the three angles, it should be 180 degree. Suppose the angles are all 60. So they add up to 180 degree. Now suppose this angle is 71, this angle is 61 and this angle is 65. It said all the angles should be more than 60 degree. If we add it up, we get 6, 7, 12, 197, which is more than 180 degree. So even 1 degree more than 60 degree and all the angles are more than 60 is not a possible case. So the statement is false. Sum of two complementary angle is 90 degree. If two angles are added and it is said to be complementary, that means the added sum of the angles is 80 degree. So the statement is true. Sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is always 360 degree. This is also a universal statement. Suppose we have a convex polygon. Convex polygon means all sides are equal. Polygon means more than 3 sides. So when we have a convex polygon, the exterior angle, if we converge them to meet at a point, they will give us 360 degree. If it is not a convex polygon, that means if the sides of the polygon are not equal, then the exterior angle is also sometimes less and sometimes more, and equivalently sometimes less and sometimes more. They always add up to form 360 degree. So even if it is a convex polygon or not, the exterior angle sum is always 360 degree. So it is a universally true statement. So today we discussed fill in the blanks and true and false, which are 1 mark question. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you.